In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your favorite photos to an album in OneDrive, whether you're using the web version on your computer or the mobile app on your phone. By the end of this video, you'll be able to effortlessly organize your memories, shareable moments, or work projects into neat albums, so you can access them quickly whenever you want. Let's dive right in and make your OneDrive gallery easy to browse and even easier to manage. We'll start with the web version, so head over to OneDrive.com and log in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, look for the Photos section. You'll see a grid of all your images saved to OneDrive. If you don't see your photos right away, they might be stored in a specific folder under Files, which you can also access from the sidebar. Take a second to think about which pictures you'd like grouped together. Maybe you want to keep family photos in one album, vacation snaps in another, or just start collecting pictures of your pets in a dedicated spot. Albums help you keep everything tidy and easy to find. Now, to select the photos you want to add to an album, just hover your mouse over each image. When you do, a small checkmark will appear in the top corner of the photo. Click this checkmark to select that photo. You can select a single picture or keep clicking to choose multiple images at once. There's no rush here, so take your time picking out the ones you want. If you accidentally select the wrong photo, just click the checkmark again to deselect it. This part is a bit like putting together recipes for a cookbook. You're gathering all the right ingredients for your album. Once you've got your selection, look up at the top toolbar and find the option that says Add to Album. Go ahead and click that. This button is your shortcut to get those chosen photos organized. Think of it as dropping your selected prints into the right folder in a physical photo box. If you don't see the Add to Album option, make sure you actually have some photos selected. The button only appears when something's checked. Next, a menu will pop up asking where you want these photos to go. You've got two choices here: select an existing album from the list or create a whole new album by clicking New Album. If you already have albums for birthdays, events, or projects, just click the relevant one. But if this is a new collection, tap New Album, give it a clear name. It could be as simple as Summer 2025 or Road Trip Adventure, and OneDrive will automatically move your selected photos into this new home. Naming albums clearly makes it so much easier to find what you need later, especially when you have hundreds or even thousands of pictures. And that's really all there is to it. OneDrive will get to work organizing your photos in the background, and you'll see them appear in your chosen album in just a few moments. Don't worry if things take a second to update. Sometimes larger files or lots of photos might lag for a moment as OneDrive does its thing. If you'd like me to cover the mobile steps in detail in a future tutorial, just let me know. Thanks for following along with today's walkthrough. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. And if you ran into any snags or if you have a question about organizing your photos, leave a comment below. I always do my best to respond and help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.